my creators, and welcome to another video. So today I'm here to share my Dephemerember wrap up. So I am going to share today all of the ephemera that I made for Dephemerember. I'm going to share with you how my book is looking right now. So none of the pages are finished yet, and I am just going to share how it is with everything. So this is the first thing. That's prompt was sparkle and book page, and now I'm showing the page tabs that I have created. So I have created several of these to go into my journal, and they will be added like that on the side of my page, so they will hang out. This is a page that I have made before I started Dephemerember, and you can watch this on my Patreon page. And now we are solely going into all the Dephemerember prompts. So for everything you see here is a process video. I have created a playlist for Dephemerember, and there you can see everything and how I created them, and I will tell you everything about them. But first of all, I wanted to talk a little bit about Dephemerember itself. So Dephemerember is a December daily project by Barbara from 49 Dragonflies and Louise Heinzel. They will also be linked down below in the description box. And it is just a December daily project to create ephemera for your junk journals, or in my case, my altered book. So I decided to create everything for this altered book, and now I have beautiful pieces to create my pages with, but my pages are not completed yet. So what I will be doing next is, this series is not over yet. I am going to create all of the pages with you together with the ephemera that I have created. And I'm going to share with you what I journal about and how I will be journaling. So this altered book will be a journal about December and January. So I will be journaling about December, about Christmas, about New Year's Eve, New Year's resolutions, and all those things that are, especially for this time, something I will document some memories, maybe from last year, and I will share with you how I do that and how I will be completing this book. I'm also going to share how I'm going to use all of the pieces that I have created into this journal, at least all of the prompted pieces. So for the next thing that I'm going to share with you, this one, I have created 3 pieces for 1 prompt. So maybe I will not use all the pieces, but I will definitely use one of these because they need to represent all the prompts. So it will be a lot of fun. I hope you will enjoy the continuation and will enjoy to see how I will finish up this journal. I have to say that I only have 2 pages left to do while I'm filming this voiceover for you. And I absolutely love where this is going. I'm very much enjoying the themes that I am journaling about. And I'm surprising myself with how I am completing these pages, because they are very different from what I usually do or how I usually journal. So it's a very exciting adventure, and yeah, I absolutely love it. I want to thank Barbara and Louise for this challenge in December, because it really put me through. It really helped with my burnout, because I'm currently recovering from a burnout, and it really helped me to find my creativity back and to jumpstart my creativity, because I was getting overwhelmed in my craft room with all of the things that I have and all the things that I can do, which of course makes sense because I have a burnout, so everything overwhelms me. So it was really nice to have these prompts and to work with them. So I'm still working with prompts. I started to work with Marguerite Miller's collage planner assignments, and I'm having so much fun with that. So if you want to see something about that, let me know, then I can share that with you. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. This project was amazing, and I can't wait to share with you how everything will end up being. I really enjoyed taking apart books for this challenge and go thrifting and finding somewhat of a love for Christmas related crafting. I still don't like Christmas, I still don't like December, but I do have found a little bit of a love for creating for December. So here I am sharing the last pieces that I have created for this challenge. Inside this envelope is another one. As I said, you can watch all of these in process videos if you would like. I have a playlist for that. And I can't wait to share how I will finish up this journal with you. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your wonderful comments. And I hope to see you all next time. Bye!